Title of the video: The Quartile of Ungrouped Data. In this video, we will explain what quartiles are and how they can be calculated for ungrouped data, with a focus on making content accessible to visually impaired learners. What are quartiles? So quartiles are a type of statistical measure used to divide a set of data into 4 equal parts. To clearly understand the concept, so we have here a strip of paper is divided into 4 equal parts. And there are 3 intervals between the 4 equal parts. The quartiles are the 3 values that divide the distribution into 4 equal parts. So we have the first one here, which is denoted by Q sub 1. And we have the second one, which is Q sub 2. And we have the third interval, which is Q sub 3. It can be observed that the Q sub 2, or the second quartile, is also the median of the set of data. How to calculate quartiles? To calculate quartiles for ungrouped data, you need to follow the following steps. So the first one is to sort the data in ascending order from lowest to the highest. Step 2, count the number of observations in the data set. Step 3, calculate the position of each quartile using the following formula. So for our quartile position, the formula can be Q sub I is equal to I over 4 times the quantity of n plus 1, where I is the number of the quartile you want to find. For example, the first quartile, the second quartile, and so on. And n is the total number of observations in the data set. Suppose we have the given set of data. So we have here 1, 3, 7, 7, 16, 21, 27, 30, and 31. To find the quartile 1, locate its position using the formula 1/4 times the quantity of n plus 1 and round up to the nearest integer. So we can write, for example, we have Q sub 1 for quartile 1 is equal to 1/4 times the quantity of n plus 1. So in the given set of data, our n here is, or has a total of 9. So we have Q sub 1 is equal to 1/4 times 9 plus 1. So we have here Q sub 1 is equal to 1/4 times 10. And that would be Q sub 1 is equal to 10 over 4, which is equal to 2.5. So the computed value of 2.5 becomes 3, because we're going to round up this number. So we can say in our data set with numbers 1, 3, 7, 7, 16, 21, 27, 30, and 31. So the third one here is our quartile 1, which is 7. Similarly, to find the quartile 3, locate its position using the formula 3/4 times the quantity of n plus 1 and round down to the nearest integer. So with the same set of data, with the numbers 1, 3, 7, 7, 16, 21, 27, 30, and 31, we're going to find the position of the quartile 3. So we can have Q sub 3 is equal to 3/4 times n plus 1. So the number of n is equals to 9 in the given set of data. So we have q sub 3 is equal to 3 over 4 times the quantity of 9 plus 1. That will be q sub 3 is equal to 3/4 times 10, which is equal to 30 over 4. That is equivalent to 7.5. The computed value of 7.5 becomes 7 after rounding down this 7.5. So in our data set with the numbers 1, 3, 7, 7, 16, 21, 27, 30, and 31, the upper quartile value, or the quartile 3, is the 7th data element. So we can say that our q sub 3 is 27. Quartiles are useful statistical measure for dividing a set of data into 4 equal parts. We hope this video has been helpful in explaining how to calculate quartiles. Thank you for watching.